Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to tune your Infiniti G35. We'll cover everything from initial planning to advanced modifications, ensuring you get the most out of your car. Tuning your G35 can significantly enhance its performance and driving experience, but it requires careful consideration and execution. Let's dive into the essential steps to transform your vehicle responsibly and effectively. Boosting your G35's engine performance starts with improving its breathing. Upgrading your intake and exhaust systems allows for more efficient airflow, leading to noticeable power increases. Next, an engine management tune optimizes fuel and ignition timing, unlocking hidden potential. For serious power, forced induction options like turbochargers or superchargers can provide substantial horsepower gains, transforming your G35 into a true powerhouse. Beyond raw power, a well-tuned G35 needs superior handling. Upgrading your shocks and springs will dramatically improve ride quality and cornering stability. Adding stiffer sway bars helps minimize body roll, keeping your car flatter through turns. Finally, selecting the right performance tires is crucial for maximizing grip and putting all that power to the pavement safely. These modifications work together for a truly engaging driving experience. After all your modifications, ongoing maintenance is key to longevity and performance. Regularly inspect all upgraded components and adhere to a strict service schedule. For optimal results and safety, consider professional tuning to fine-tune your engine and ensure everything works harmoniously. This investment protects your vehicle and maximizes its potential. And hey, for some great deals on kitchen essentials, including those leak-proof containers, check out the description below for links and other offers.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.